Hey guys, welcome back. For all of you out there who have a serious sweet tooth like myself, this one is going to be right up your alley. This is going to be the salted caramel chocolate martini. So this is going to be a shaken cocktail, so you are going to need your shaker tin. You're going to need your jigger to measure all of your ingredients accurately. There is going to be no fresh juice in this one, so we just need our Hawthorne strainer. You will need heavy whipping cream. You can also substitute heavy or half and half if you would like instead of the heavy whipping cream. You'll need a caramel vodka and creme de coco as well. And then for our garnish, you're going to want to use some chocolate syrup because we're going to rim our martini glass, and then some coarse salt as well. So, as always, the ingredient list is going to be listed down below, but let's get into it. We're going to start off with 1.5 ounces of creme de coco, 1.5 ounces of caramel vodka, and then 1 full ounce of heavy whipping cream or half and half, whichever you prefer. As always, you want to make sure that we've got our shaker tin filled to the brim with ice. Make sure that we get this cocktail nice and cold. And we're going to pop on the top here and shake away. Get that shaker tin nice and ice cold in your hand. Crack the top. We'll go ahead and we'll put that Hawthorne strainer on here. But before we pour into the glass, we're going to rim our martini. Look at that gorgeous color. And there it is, guys. The salted caramel chocolate martini. Until the next pour. And also, if you enjoy this and you enjoy all of my cocktails, all of my creations we got going on here, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. I hope to hear from you guys soon. Until the next pour. Cheers.